Welcome to another vlog. It's been a while. A lot has happened over the past few months. So yeah, we are actually moving out of this house this weekend and today is a Friday. Ngayon nila kukunin yung mga gamit namin. It's been a hectic week. On the weekend, we'll travel down to Christchurch. That's the big move for us. So we just wanted to try our luck down south. We'll see how we go. But yeah, that's the goal for today. Ma-move out namin to. Nag-hire kami ng movers. Medyo matagal din ako nakahanap ng okay na movers because medyo mahal. Sobrang pricey niya. Ang mga quote ako na na-receive, like it's around $7,000-8,000. Well, considering kung gaano kalayo, it's from Auckland to Christchurch. So, mahal talaga siya. I'm quite lucky na nakita ko tong company na to. They are NZ Van Lines and they quoted me for almost 5,000. Mahal pa din but mas reasonable na siya kaysa dun sa 7,000-8,000 na na-receive ko na quote. Let's see how we go. Naglagay ako ng tracker sa one of the boxes para malaman namin kung nasa na siya. They said it will reach Christchurch mga 10 business days, pero sobrang tagal na daw nun. So, hopefully, makarating siya almost the same time na makakarating kami doon. So, we will travel by car din kasi magsa-stop over kami to some places para matulog and makarest din si Jerril because he's the one driving. Nag-book ako ng mga hotels para doon kami matulog and then dadaan kami sa Wellington kasi nandun yung barge papuntang Picton para mapunta kami sa South Island. Sobra naming daming gamit. As in, bawas na yan. Binenta ko na yung bed ni Isa, itong couch. Sobrang funny kasi iiwan ko na lang yan dito. Kasi nung pinost ko yan sa Facebook Market, yung nag-reply is, actually, lilipat din dito na bahay. So, what a coincidence. Amazing. All done. So ito, iwan na lang yan namin kasi yung next na magre-rent dito, sa kanila nang pupunta yan. And it's currently 12:30. Nag-umpisa sila mga 9:30-ish na din. So that was a 3-hour move. And nilagay na namin lahat dito, halos lahat ng things namin dito na. So it was quite easier for them kasi hindi na sila akyat baba. And the truck is going now. Buy things. Sana hindi masyadong matagal. So good. So good.
My one or your one?
So we are on
our way to school.
our way to Isabella's.
In the middle of the school time.
Hatid namin siya kasi
And having double babysitters.
while we go to the concert.
Yeah. We're dreaming. Oh, it's a baby.
Nagbabay lang. Bye-bye! Sunday. Sunday.
There's not bad.